Students, today we shall see how it is decided which resources can be allotted to which person. Let us see this. There are few persons and to whom resources are given. Now, Anil has been given A and B two resources, and in future he can ask for J and K. Similarly, Suresh has been given U, and in future he can ask for Y. Now, one thing is asked. Suppose Anil asks for J. Can we give J to Anil? Let Anil asks for J. Should it be given? This is the question. Give region. It should be given or not. Give region. Okay. Give the region. No, this is not the region. Nilanjan, try to compare your region. Can it be given to Deepu? Nilanjan? As Nilanjan has given the region, J is free, it should be given, it is not correct. Whether J can be given to Deepu? Let Deepu ask for J. It should be given or not? It should be given. Tell me in case of Deepu also. Yes. Region. Why it can be given to Anil but not to Deepu? Why not to Deepu? Deepu may ask for H. Deepu depends on H. It is with Jalaj. It is with Jalaj. So Deepu can be completed after Jalaj only. Deepu can be completed after the completion of Jalaj. Is it correct? And Jalaj also needs J. Jalaj also needs J. So if J is given to Deepu, Jalaj will be completed only when Deepu is completed. Is it correct? So there will be deadlock. But what will happen in case of Anil? Anil asks for J. Now, Anil does not depend on anyone. Anil may need K also, but K is a free resource. Anil depends upon K only, and K is free. Anil does not depend on anyone. Correct? So J can be given to Anil. Is it correct? But what about Deepu? Deepu depends upon Jalaj. And the Jalaj requirement is also J and Deepu requirement is also J. If J is given to Deepu, then Jalaj will depend upon Deepu. So there will be a cycle. Is it correct? Let us see how do we make the resource allocation graph? Let us see. Given person given Deepu is given C and D, and suppose it is given J also. And Deepu needs H and Jalaj needs H. Jalaj is given H and it needs J. Now, above will give rise to deadlock. J is occupied, but you see, even when occupied, there may not be any problem. Is it correct? Even with occupied, there may not be any problem. Why? Okay, even with occupied, it cannot be a problem. We shall see to it. So Gyan, he written a wrong answer. Suppose there is Ravi who has been given K and it needs S. There is no problem. Anil asks for J, it should be given or not? Anil depends on K, which is with Ravi. Anil, correct region will be Anil depends upon Ravi. Anil can be completed only when Ravi is over. So what is going to happen? Let Ravi complete, then Anil will complete. So they can be given to Anil. So the reason which was given by Gyan is wrong. Why J should not be given to Deepu? Because H is occupied, fine. H is occupied. It is with Jalaj. In the same logic, Anil will need K and K is also occupied at present. So let us first of all finish the job which holds K and which can be done very easily. Because Ravi will take S and will complete, and after the completion of the Ravi, Anil can complete. Do you understand? So let us see what is resource allocation graph. Resource you given to Gopal. It means from you to Gopal there is an edge. You had been given to Gopal. It means that you to Gopal there is an edge. Okay, let me not call you, let me call it something else which is not there. Okay, you given to, or let me say, and let me say, and H is okay. H given to Jalaj. It means that from H to Jalaj there is an H. A resource has been given to a person. It means from resource to a person there is an edge. Deepu may need H. It means Deepu to H there is an edge. Is it correct? J given to Deepu. It means J to Deepu there is an edge. Jalaj may need J. It means that Jalaj to J there is an edge. Now what we find? We find H to Jalaj. We find Jalaj to J. H to Jalaj. Jalaj to J. J to Deepu. And Deepu to H. Cycle. It will give rise to deadlock. Is it correct? So this is the method to find whether giving a resource is safe or unsafe. Is there any doubt? When a resource is given, then resource to a person there is an edge. When a person may need a resource, then from person to resource there is an edge. And if it gives rise to a cycle, then there is deadlock. Any doubt? A resource. M cannot be given to a person Pankaj. If Pankaj needs a resource, resource N which is with Ravi, which is with Sunny, and Sunny also needs M, may need M in future. Is this method is clear to you? Because Pankaj depends on Sunny. Pankaj can be completed only when Sunny is over. And if we give N to Pankaj, then Sunny can be done only when Pankaj is over. Is your doubt clear? Not should need means he immediately needs. So may need means in future he may need it. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. At present he doesn't need it, but he may need it in future. Nilanjan, is it satisfactory? Any doubt? That is correct. That is correct, Harsvardhan. You are fully correct.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
For this, we should know information about the Sunny, whether in future Sunny will require M or not.
That is correct.
In there must be must condition. Sunny must need M in
That
future.
is yes, because you see sometimes in the program ifs are there. Is it correct? And for safety reason we take care if and else both cases. Is this all right to you? At present we have not talked about such programs. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Harshvardhan has written fully correct. Cycles may be bigger. Now, let us see. whether J can be given to Jalaj. It is not clear to me. Region is not clear to me. Give the region. Let given. It means that J to Jalaj there will be an arrow. Jalaj may need U. That is correct. This is the way it should be written. If it is given J to Jalaj, there will be an arrow. Jalaj needs U. It means Jalaj to U, there will be an arrow. U is with Suresh. It means U to Suresh, there will be an arrow. Suresh may need Y. It means Y. Suresh may need Y. Suresh to Y, there will be an H. Y is with Umesh. It means Umesh. Y is with Umesh. Umesh may need J. Is this all right? So we see that there is a cycle. What is conclusion? A resource R should not be given to a person K if K may need Q also, which is with a person who may need R. Okay, let us see. Resource R should not be given to a person K if K may need Q also, which is with a person who may need Q. Q who may need Q also, with which need Q, which is with a person who may need P. P is with a person that is correct. Why do we call it as a bipartite graph? One of them is resources, one of them is person. Yes, yes, yes. Fully correct. Harshvardhan is correct. This is what should be the answer. Is this all right to you? Any doubt? Ask question. Ask your doubt. Ask doubts. Now, suppose there are multiple resources are there. In that case, resource allocation graph will not become applicable. Multiple P's are there, multiple Q's are there. Then the resource allocation graph will not become helpful. How many minimum P and Q are needed at present to complete above? Give this answer. No, why we are removing the edge? Yes, Tushar is fully correct. We put a hypothetical edge, and if it does not give rise to cycle, we allot the resource. And if it gives rise to cycle, then we remove this edge. Tushar is correct. Tushar is correct. We don't put permanent edge, we put a hypothetical edge. And if you see, Harshvardhan is fully wrong. You have given a very why 12p and 13q. 8 and 9, 8p and 9q is certainly the upper bound. Nothing more than that can be required. Is it correct? Yes. Pranav is 100% wrong. With 2p and 4q, we cannot do anything. Jannat is 100% wrong. No, we don't want to take worst case. Even in worst case, we cannot take the total. In the first case, we can take maximum P need and maximum Q need. Sri Krishna, you are writing P and 5Q. Means 1P and 5Q. Prabhat is wrong. Prabhat is wrong. Suppose we have 4P and 1Q at present. Then with 4P and 1Q, we cannot do any one of them. Prabhat is 100% wrong. Sai Krishna is wrong in that case. With 1P and 5Q, nothing can be done. Is it correct? Yes, we will try to minimize PQ. Yes, try to find out minimum P, minimum Q. Wrong. Sai Krishna is wrong. Suppose we have 2P and 5Q. With 2P and 5Q, nothing can be done. Yes. Gyan has written the correct answer. Gyan has written the correct answer. Think about it. Yes. Either 5Q, 5P, 5Q, or either 5P and 5Q will work. That is correct. Prabhat is now correct. Yes. Krishna is wrong. Gyan can be completed. Now 5 plus 3P equal to 8P and 5 plus 2Q seven Q available. Now Deepu can be completed. Now 8 plus 4 equal to 12p and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10q available. Is it correct? Is this all right to you? Anil can be completed now. Is it correct? Any doubt? Any doubt? Whether less than 5q can work? Give the answer. Suppose we don't have 5q. Can we do with lesser q? Because when Gyan is completed, 8p and 7q will be available. When Deepu is completed, then 12p and 10q will be available. Prabhat, is your doubt clear? That is correct. Any doubt? So, sir, it is not clear to me. Tushar is not the answer of the Tushar is not clear to me.
So why aren't we adding the already given values of P and Q
Because
to
reason is
these
this, you
answers?
see, after the completion of the Gyan was given 3p and 2q, they will become free. We gave 5p and 5q to Gyan was able to complete.
So, sir, for your question, we just had to answer what is the additional need of P and Q. Like for overall, like all the given values
Yes,
is also included.
yes. At present, we are simply asking how many minimum P's and Q's are needed to complete, means additional. Yes, minimum additional. Yes, fully correct.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Let 8p and 3q are available. Deepu can be done. 8 plus 4 equal to 12p. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6q. Available. Gyan can be done. So 12 plus 3 equal to 15. 6 plus 2 equal to 8 Q available. Anil cannot be done. Anil needs 9 Q. But Anil needs 9 Q. So hence 8P and 4Q are minimum additional needed. Is it correct? So 5P and 5Q will work. But if we want to reduce Q, we have to increase P. No, we cannot compare. Is it correct? 5P and 5Q, 8P and 4Q, and 2P and 9Q are uncomparable. They are uncomparable. Is it correct? They are uncomparable. We cannot compare. So our correct answer will be minimum additional need. Is 5P, 5Q, or 8P, 4Q. And we can see one more answer. Is this all right to you? Because 5P, 5Q, and 8P, 4Q cannot be compared. Any doubt? Any doubt? And we can see by the same method, this will also work. Any doubt? Give me the answer in this case. Minimum additional PQ needed to complete all. Simple. Very simple answer. Nothing will be free at any stage. Eight P 9Q. Very simple. Nothing is available with him. So 8 P's are needed to complete Deepu and 9 Q are needed to complete Anil. 8 P 9 Q. Is it correct? Now, simple. These are trivial cases. Infinite resources are available. Any doubt now? Very simple case. Both were extreme cases. Do this case. Minimum additional needed. Is it correct? Yes. Now, When there is single instance of every resource, using resource allocation graph, safety is checked. When there are multiple instances of the same resource, then the banker algorithm is required. Is it correct? Here there are multiple instances, hence banker algorithm will work. When there are single instances, resource allocation graph works. Is it correct? Is this clear to you? When is resource allocation graph needed? When is banker algorithm needed? Let 2p 9q needed. Let 2p 9q available. Hurry can be completed. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. 5p 13q. With 5p 13q, nothing can be completed. At least 7 P's are required to complete Ravi. At least 7 are needed for Ravi. So 4p and 9q let 4p 9q available. Now, after completing Ravi, 7 plus 3 equal to 10p and 13 plus 4q is equal to 17q. Now Lalit can be done. Is it correct? Any doubt? Class is over. Discussion can be done. No. We shall talk about this little later. Is it correct? Or you send me the mail? Is it correct? You send me mail. Any doubt? Yes.